everyone, welcome back to Miss Beanie in America. How you all doing today? If you are new to this channel, my name is Miss Beanie in America. You're highly welcome. I love you. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, support my channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for all the supports. I love you all, and don't forget to like and share this video and other of my videos. Today's video I will be unboxing some things that I bought from Amazon. Let's unbox it together. Let's check it out. So we'll start with this small one. Here I have my scissors. So excuse me. Oh, here you go. See, it's a small microphone for your phone, because I realized that phone sometimes to record my video really having issue with the recording. I mean my voice recording. So I saw this on Amazon. I decided to purchase one. It's very affordable and for Android. I saw a lot of different types. They have for Apple. So I got this. This is exactly. So here is the microphone. My phone. Very beautiful. And it has clip here where you clip it to your shirt. So I think it had charger too. Look. Okay. Yeah. Let's check the charger out. Oh, this is so nice. See? It has a bag with it. Very beautiful velvet bag. And this is the charger. So these are the three things that came with it. The voice. This is me right now when I was not using the microphone. So let's check it out. This is when USB-C that microphone. Let's see if there's any difference. Now I am going to be trying it on. So I will be using this phone to show you how I'm going to be plugging it in using this one. So I want to plug it to this phone that I'm using to record now, but I'm just going to show you where I'm going to be plugging it in. So it's like you're plugging it into your charger port. Let me see. So like that, right? So that's how I want to plug it to this phone right now. Let's check it out. So I already plugged it in. Now I just turn it on like this with this here. Just need to press this and it will be on. And let's see. Hello. It doesn't sound different. So this is the video, and now I'm using the microphone. I don't think the voice is different. However, this is me using the microphone. So let me know how you think in the comment section below, if the voice is different or not, because to me I don't think it's different. All right, so I have shown you everything, and this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below. If you need something like this, I will quickly answer you, because this is not a review video. I'm just trying my stuff. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you. Bye.